Hello DIYers, today we're going to be learning how to make raspberry lemonade using a jar.
We're using an upcycled spaghetti sauce jar, and I added a mason jar sealed lid to it. Obviously, if you don't have a jar lid like that, you can just use the original lid that the jar came with.
The reason why I'm measuring out the juice is because I'm not sure how much juice the 3 lemons created, so that way I can measure out the ratios of what fruit to add. So I'm adding the sugar now. So I'm using granulated sugar here. You can substitute with your favorite sweetener and adjust it accordingly to the sweetness that you like. And remember that you're using lemons, so the lesser sugar you have, the more tart it is, and the sweeter that it is. It depends on what you prefer. Okay, so you're gonna mash the berries until they look like this, and almost like a jam consistency. So you have an option of straining out the seeds if you like. I like to keep them in because they're extra fiber. Okay, the same thing with the sugar. You can adjust your water based on how your lemonade tastes. I'm putting in 2 cups of water into this just to match the ratio, and we'll go from there. Now that we're putting the lid on, this is why I prefer the mason jar lid, because we're going to shake it. And when the shaking happens, we want to make sure that the liquid stays in the jar.
There you go, there's your raspberry lemonade in a jar. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe.